Hello student, today we will learn about working with style and object. A style is predefined combination of formatting features, font style, color, size of the text that apply to selected text in a document to quickly change its appearance. When you apply a style, you apply a group of formats together into one simple task. In this chapter, you will learn about how to apply build style with creating a new style, how to insert word art and creating a text box, working with shapes, placing text in a shape, using drawing tool, how to insert clip art, symbols and special character, how to apply shadow effects, adding a screenshot in a document.
Hello students, today we will learn about working with styles and objects. A style is a predefined combination of formatting features, font style, color and size of text that is applied to the selected text in a document to quickly change its appearance. When you apply a style, you apply a group of formats together in one simple task. To format the title, Welcome to the World of Style, as 16-point, bold, Cambria, we would be requiring 3 steps. You can achieve the same result in one step by applying the built-in heading for style. By default, the text that you type in a new document is based on the normal style. Besides normal style, Word provides many inbuilt styles. Students, note that we can view the styles window. We use Alt plus Control plus Shift plus S key combination. You can also create and edit your own styles. Styles are of 2 types. Character style. A character style affects the selected text within a paragraph, such as font name, size, color, bold, underline, borders and shading. Paragraph style. A paragraph style controls all aspects of a paragraph's appearance, such as text alignment, tab stops, line spacing, borders, and it can also include character formatting. Students, before we move further, can you quickly recall the difference between character style and paragraph style? Okay, students, now we will talk about applying built-in styles. To change the style of text, you can quickly apply style from the gallery of styles known as a built-in style. Select the text to which you want to apply a style. On the Home tab, in the Styles group, hover the mouse over each style to see a live preview in the document and select any one. You can click on the More drop-down arrow to see the additional styles. Or click on the Styles dialog box launcher button in the Styles group on the Home tab. It displays the list of built-in styles. Choose the style heading 1. Observe the change in the appearance of the text. Students, note that we can apply a style set by clicking on Change Style button in the Styles group. Select Style Set option from the pop-up window and choose the style. The change is reflected in the entire document. Let me tell you how to create a new style. Select the text and click on the Style dialog box launcher in the Styles groups on the Home tab. This opens the Styles task pane. Click on the New Style button located at the bottom of the window. Create new style from Formatting. Dialog box will appear on the screen as shown in the figure. Type the style name in the Name text box and apply the formatting effect under the Formatting section. Select the new documents based on this template radio button so that the new style will be available in all your documents for use. Click OK. The new style with the assigned name will appear in the list. Students, note the fact that a theme is a set of formatting choices that can be applied to an entire document, which includes theme, color, fonts, and effects. Let us learn about inserting word art. The word art feature allows you to create special text effects. It gives a unique look to the text. Using word art, you can create decorative effects such as curved, wavy, shadowed, three-dimensional, etc. Select the text on which you wish to apply word art effect. Click on the Insert tab. Select the word art option and choose the desired effect from the Quick Styles drop-down menu. Word will automatically create a text box for your text and apply the style to the text. Applying effects to word art text. Select the word art text. The Format tab appears on the ribbon automatically. Click on the Text Effects button in the Word Art Styles group. A drop-down menu will appear displaying various effect categories. Place the pointer on the glow option in the drop-down menu and select the desired glow effect from the sub-menu. The effect will be applied to your text. Students, let us discuss creation of a text box. A text box is a placeholder where you can enter text. A text box can be used to manipulate text and give new graphical effects. You can move the text box along with its contents anywhere in the document.
Okay students, you can give a cover page to your document by clicking on Insert tab, then go to Cover Page option. Similarly, you can add sidebar strip in your document by clicking on Insert tab, then go to Text Box option. Now I will tell you how to create text box.
Select the Insert tab. Click on the text box button in the text group. Select the Draw Text Box option from the drop-down menu. Click and drag the mouse pointer on the document to create the text box. The text box will be drawn with the insertion point inside it.
You can resize the text box by dragging its handles. Type the text. It automatically adjusts and shifts to the next line with respect to the box area.
Now let me share a tip with you. To change text box style, select the text box. The Format tab appears with Drawing Tools. Click on the More drop-down arrow in the Shape Styles group to display more styles option. Move the pointer over the styles and select any desired style. Let me now tell you about working with shapes. The Shapes is a drawing feature that helps you to draw various shapes like stars, banners, callouts, connectors, etc. With the help of these shapes, you can draw attention and provide impact to your message. To insert shape, follow these steps. Click on the Shapes button in the Illustrations group on the Insert tab. A drop-down menu displays various options like lines, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, flow chart, callouts, stars and banners, etc. as shown in the figure. Point to the basic shapes and select the smiley face. The pointer changes into crosshair symbol. Drag it on the working area. The selected shape appears in the document. The Format tab appears. Select any shape style from the Shape Styles gallery. Click on the More drop-down menu to select option from the More Shape Style list. Students, let me share an interesting tip with you. To maintain the height and width ratio of a shape, hold down the Shift key while you drag the shape.